Welcome to another video. Alright, so this time we are given 8 on square root of 2 raised to x equals to x raised to x. Okay, so solution. So we have 8 on square root of 2 raised to x equals to x raised to x. Okay, alright, so we can do cross multiplication, whereby this side will be 8 equals to square root of 2 raised to x times x raised to x. Now let me repeat it here. 8 x times x raised to x. Now when we are given a raised to n times b raised to n, because of equal powers, we can put the bases together, a, b, then raise them by one of them. Okay, so we have similar one here. So this side will be this time that will be x with 2 all raised to x. Okay, good. Now before we can solve this question, now let me put 8 here. Okay, and let's make the right hand side something. Okay, so something and its base. So if it is p raised to p, okay, t raised to t, so we want to make the base and the power equal. All right, that's the only trick in the question. So we are going to support the powers here. Now we have x to 2, so if I put 2 here, this side and this side will be equal. So let's go ahead as we balance it. So we have 8 with 2 x 2 all raised to x with 2. So I have raised both powers with 2. Okay, now with this I have the right hand side as x with 2. Then we have the power as x with 2. So this and that are equal. Now let's look at the left hand side, if we can also make it the same. Okay, so we know this 8 can be written as 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, all right, so 2 equals to x with 2. Now let's write 4. Okay, 4 as 2 squared. Okay, so we have 2 squared times 2 all 2. We have x with 2 raised to x with 2. Now let's watch this here. Now let's use this powerful rule, x raised to n times y raised to n. This, as I said, x y raised to n. Now we want to make this side equal. Okay, now we can adjust this one as, so let me change the color here, very careful here. So we have 2 times. So in order to make or raise this side to the power 2, we have to make it square root of 2 all squared. I've done nothing because square root of 2 all squared, this will cancel that. So I've left 2. So this side is 2. Okay. All right. So all raised to that x 2 x 2. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead as we deal with the powers here. So this side will be 2 times root 2 all raised to 2 and all raised to square root of 2. Okay, it's very, very powerful. So this side is here. Going back, the 2 raises 2 and this one also raised that. Okay, so this side remains the same, x 2. Now from here, since we have powers here, okay, when we have b raised to y or raised to n, the same as b and y. So we have similar one here, this and that. Okay. All right. So let's multiply the powers. This side will be 2 with 2, and the powers will be that 2 2. We have it here equals to x with 2 x with 2. Now let's observe the left hand side and the right hand side carefully. All right, so when you observe the basis, okay, look, so we have 2 equals to x with 2. So taking the basis, 2 is the same as x with 2. So this one will cancel, so my x is 2. Okay, so let's look at the powers as well. The powers also remains same as 2 but x with 2. And if this one will cancel again, I will have 2 equals x. So whichever way you get x to be 2, okay, have x to be 2. Now let's verify. So we have 8 on root 2, okay, raised to x equals x raised to x, and we are saying x equals to 2. Okay, so let's plug in 2 here. So we have 8 and 2. So we have this side to be 2, and we have 2 raised to 2. Now this one will cancel. I will have it 8 over 2 equals to 4. So 8 over 2 is 4, and this side is 4. Hence proved. So it means that's the correct answer here. All right, so if you are enjoying the video, please kindly hit on the subscribe button, okay, for more exciting videos like this. All right, so I think that is the fun answer. Thanks for watching.